Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Solana itself. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. My Solana family, has been showing tremendous amount of support from day one. And of course, we have come a long way. The Solana community has come a long, long way, especially the people that were here since the FTX, era. And really saw the price of Solana go to the likes of $8 and still had the courage and, saw the vision of Solana. Those are the true winners, in my opinion. But we have come a long way. The viewers on this channel, we saw Solana trading sideways, boring movements under $20 for months and months, and here we are, guys. These are the times we were hoping for, and they're here. We're living these times. So looking across the board today, happy Sunday first and foremost. You are seeing tremendous amount of green across the board. Altcoins are just going through the roof. And I literally mean through the roof. If you're looking just today itself, and even the last 1 week alone, you're seeing altcoins just absolutely sending. Solana up 30% over the course of the last few days. Obviously, if you're looking at the daily time frame, and you can kind of get discouraged by looking at Dogecoin, looking at ADA. These are some coins that are pumping like crazy, and the Solana is only up 5.5%. But what if I told you these have much smaller market valuations compared to Sol? But if you look at it on the weekly time frame, you can kind of see there's a balance. There's a balance that Solana is holding pretty strong against the broader market, and these are the things that people can forget, but you don't want to be forgetting that. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So $208.30 is the price of Solana. Absolutely madness. Just a few hours ago, Solana was able to reach a new yearly high, what we've been waiting for such a long time, and that ended up happening today, up 5.3% in USD and about 0.4% in Bitcoin. Comparative market cap is just shy of $100 billion. We actually did retest $100 billion a few hours ago, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 9.5 billion. Absolutely madness, of course. So fun fact, shout out to Solana Floor, of course. So fun fact, Solana was trading at $56. Oopsies, what did we just do? But anyways, wait, what did we do? There we are. Yeah, Solana was trading literally at $56 exactly 1 year ago on November 11th. And that was a very exciting time then. Shout out to the people, like I said, that have been here since then. We know that was a very, very exciting time. We were going crazy on this channel, and here we are. Like, the price is crazy to get $200 plus. Times are crazy. This shows you the importance of patience, of course. So total market cap of Solana meme coins also hits $14 billion, a new all-time high. And the entire market valuation for the entire meme coin category, not just Solana meme coin, but every meme coin, Ethereum, every chain pretty much has almost hit 100 billion, which is absolutely crazy to think about. But yeah, I did a poll on my channel yesterday. I asked you guys, the community members, if you had to pick one for the next 5 years, what coin would you pick? 1,800 votes have come in, 41% thinking Solana. Tells you everything you need to know, but again, only time is going to tell. This poll isn't just telling you that this is going to be 100% certainty. It just tells you what people are currently thinking, what the retail is currently thinking. And if we were able to get an ETF, I think that can really get things even more exciting. And I just uploaded this poll right now, right before I, started recording this video. You can see I said, what a time to be alive if you're a crypto holder. What coin do you think will be the biggest shocker for the remainder of 2024? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to take a part of these polls, hit that bell icon so you are always notified when I upload. But anyhow, if you're looking at the dominance, you can really now start to understand. If you do watch some of my other updates, I'm sure you know about this, but you can really start to understand the importance of the dominance index and why it was so important to keep an eye on this. So we have the confirmation that, leading into the U.S. election, quite a bit of uncertainty. Since then, dominance pulled down quite sharply, leading to, of course, our altcoin rally that we're seeing right now. Tremendous amount of altcoin rally as well, not just a small one. And you can really see that over the last 1 hour, you're starting to see the coins kind of going into the red a little bit, but very much needed. A lot of people are gonna be like, oh, the market is going down. What's going on? Hold on, let's settle down. Let's take a look at the monthly, weekly, and daily to really understand what's happening with the broader markets. There are retracements that are needed. If you think there's no retracement needed, then I think you might want to look again. But yeah. Bitcoin, let's actually extend the Fibonacci retracement level. Here we are. Every single update, every single day, I've been just extending this Fib zone. So pretty much after breaking towards an all-time high, from the previous all-time high, we pumped up an additional 10%. And the craziest thing a lot of people will forget is how much Bitcoin has come in terms of how far it has come. Pretty much remained within, the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level the entire year. Tells you everything you need to know. Bitcoin has come a long way. And I think the steam is not over. Might see a little bit of a consolidation. If you're probably wondering where we would see, a retracement, I think the next major, we could be supported by the 76,500 if things were to kind of retrace a little bit. And of course, the $73,400 mark. Again, not a big surprise to any one of us. That was a previous all-time high, and that will play as a major support. I do expect that. But, I think we do still have a lot of steam. Obviously, today's the weekend. CME futures are closed, but, the market is just sending like crazy regardless. But let's take a look at what's happening with our good old friend Solana. Back into 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Let's give it ourselves a round of applause. Absolutely insane stuff. And not only that, Solana did actually end up hitting a new yearly high just below that key resistance. So we're retesting the 2021, so first time in almost 3 years, levels that we haven't seen. And of course the $216.92 is the major key resistance. I haven't just drawn these lines. They have proved to us the importance of these specific levels. So do not be surprised that we're seeing a little bit of a hard time breaking out of this key resistance. This is going to see a little bit of a rejection in my opinion. But if we're able to break out of here, guys, let the fun begin. All-time high talks are going to start happening. And now if you're noticing, not just with Solana, go across all my updates, people are bullish. People are like they never left. They've been supporting, the likes of all these altcoins, but that's not the case. Only a few percentage of these people were actually here daily, no matter if the price was boring, and you're actually supporting. And what's crazy, I'm not going to name, of course, anyone. I see this every single time, guys. I see this as a content creator, you see it firsthand. There's some people that were talking negative over the course of the last few weeks, losing hope, talking negative about the projects, and then now these same exact people are coming back and just becoming the biggest moon boys. Absolutely crazy to think about. But anyhow, if Solana, now hear me out, if Solana is able to close its daily candle, above the yearly high from, this year, if it's able to do that, I think we're about to see an all-time high coming in very fast. It might see, of course, a little bit of a, rejection, choppy levels around the previous all-time highs. But, I'm projecting a new all-time high for Solana in the upcoming days ahead of us, especially if we keep this momentum going. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? We'll see you tomorrow with Crypto ZX, and peace out.